So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today, re-reviewin po natin yung bagong Sunnies face na shades which are all nudes. So, okay guys, I already had the previous Fluffmates. Meron ako nung tatlong shades, yung Vacay, Girl Crush, and Major. And to be honest guys, I love that collection. Nung unang nilabas yun ng Sunnies face, yung Fluffmates nila, I think it's parang it's a great breakthrough kasi parang ibang-iba yung timpla, you know, yung packaging more millennial, yung shades niya more wearable, and now naglabas na naman sila ng bagong collection which are mostly nudes. So kayo ba yung tipo ng you like nudes or you like reds? Kasi ako personally, gusto ko yung mga red. And also, I like a balance of nudes kasi nagagamit ko siya sa mga clients ko, especially yung mga brides or yung mga clients na ayaw nila ng loud na red. So, I also like my nudes. So, comment down below guys, let me know, bet nyo ba yung mga nudes or more kayo dun sa mga colorful or more on reds? So, I have all of them, the 6, here on my hands. Pinabalik ko to actually guys sa Pilipinas. So guys, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga shades or yung swatches na ginawa ko, and then I'll tell you my thoughts at the end of this video.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Okay guys, so after swatching everything, meron akong tatlong bet at meron akong tatlong hate. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung tatlong bet ko. So, first is yung on repeat. Yan, gustong-gusto ko yung on repeat kasi guys, sobrang, ewan ko, ibang shade siya actually ng nude. You know, parang very wearable siya. For everyday talaga yung dating ng pagka-nude niya. And hindi siya nakaka-flat tignan sa lips. Yung parang hindi ka mukhang may sakit. Kasi diba usually mga nudes, ganun yung effect niya. Pero itong pagka-nude niya is parang fresh pa rin yung dating niya. Tapos hindi loud. Yung napaka-natural lang dating. Parang your lips but better. So yan yung number 1 na bet ko or yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng nudes. And then, next is, yung gusto ko naman na isa pa is yung brunette, which is what I have here on my lips right now. Kasi para siyang red, and actually medyo strong nga yung pagka-nude nito. Pero, red yung undertone niya, or let's say, siguro parang very, very light na burgundy. I don't know if tama yung shading ko, pero parang ganun siya. Pero wearable siya kasi hindi siya loud. So, parang, yun nga, nude yung undertone niya. Which is good. Kasi yung mga katulad ko nga na mahilig sa red, para siyang brick na, you know, basta, nakakaputi siya ng ipin. Actually, lahat ng shades na nakakaputi ng ipin. Pero ito, sa lahat yung pinaka nakakaputi ng ipin. So, gusto nyo pumuti ipin nyo, suotin nyo to. And then next na nagustuhan ko is yung Baby Spice. So, yung Baby Spice kasi, guys, para siyang, paano ba? Parang cream na, it reminds me of yung MAC na Teddy. Tama ba? Parang ganun. So, maganda rin siya actually guys sa lips. And yung shade niya, obviously nude nga, hindi siya nakakapatay ng glow ng face. So, parang maganda pa rin siyang tignan. And very natural din. So, actually all of them naman are natural. Pero for some reason, itong tatlong to yung nag-stand out para sa akin. Kasi nga, yung pagka-nude niya doesn't take away the glow in your face. Hindi kayo mukhang flat, hindi kayo mukhang, you know, wala sa mood or, diba? Minsan kasi ganun yung nagagawa ng mga nude shades eh. So far, these are my favorites. Or hindi ko talaga masyadong na-bet, guys, is itong Birthday, Casual, and Milk Tea. I'm sure marami magtataka sa inyo kasi so far, sa mga nakikita ko, or not everybody, bet nila yung casual. Pero for me, guys, kasi ewan ko, hindi ko alam, pero I just really find it common. Parang nakikita ko na to, yung shade na to, on all of the lipsticks that were released. Hindi ko alam, for some reason, hindi niya masyadong nakuha yung ako. And I find it too dark as well. Same as yung birthday o yung B-day. Actually, ito talaga parang feeling ko sobrang dark niya. Tapos, ewan ko, parang siguro kung sa mga Halloween o kaya yung talagang hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya gagamitin. Kaya siguro kaya hindi ko siya masyadong nabet kasi I find it not too wearable on everyday. I just really find it dark. I feel like pag suot ko siya, mukha akong malungkot. I don't know. Do I make sense? And the next is yung milk tea. Favorite ko pa naman yung milk tea inumin. Pero for some reason, hindi rin ito, ewan ko guys, it's too nude. Talagang parang, ewan ko guys, para siyang malungkot talaga. Alam niyo pagka-nude niya, parang walang dating. Yun. So, yun yung pinaka parang description ko dito. Na parang brown lang siya na hindi ka, ewan ko, I don't feel beautiful wearing it. So, yun guys. But guys, let me just say my thoughts as well regarding the packaging. So, yung packaging niya, guys, actually, very different. Very plain, very tagho. Parang feeling ko masyadong natago yung beauty ng lipstick sa loob. Ewan ko, siguro kasi bet na bet ko yung unang packaging nila, yung parang semi-transparent, na magkakaroon ka na idea kahit paano nung shade. Ito kasi kailangan talaga siyang buksan and buklatin. Yung una kasing packaging nila, parang ang ganda, parang kakaiba. Yung price ito guys, yung pinabili ko was 345 pesos a piece. So, yung total nito was like, lahat-lahat, 2,070 pesos. Do I feel like it's worth it? Hindi. Hindi ko actually masyadong bet itong collection nila. Obviously, I do like some shades on this collection, pero I felt like they are all too similar. Masyado silang magkakapareho, masyado silang magkaka-shade na parang hindi ko makita yung variety. Like, I have all 6 shades, pero parang feeling ko pag sinuot ko yung casual, baby, and milky, parang suot ko na rin sila. So, parang pare-pareho lang. Application-wise, guys, sobrang soft. Sunnies face quality. Napakaganda ng quality, guys. Napakadaling i-apply. Although, since nga nude siya, kailangan nyo ng konting reinforcement. Kailangan ko ng 2 layers para lumabas talaga yung totoong colors niya. Kasi pag isa lang, parang masyadong light na talagang mukha na talaga ako may sakit. So, kailangan ko siyang i-double layer para lumabas yung tingkad nung colors or no shades niya. Actually, I really do like yung Sunnies face quality of lipsticks kasi very, it glides on the lips, easy to apply as always. Kahit yung una nilang nirelease na Fluffmatte, ito ganun din naman siya. And ang lambot, parang walang suot. Ganun din yung una, which is good. Maintain nila yung ganung quality. Pero siguro, kung meron man ako isasuggest, mas bet ko talaga yung una nilang packaging. Tapos, yung shading nila nung una. Kasi talaga makikita mo yung variety. All of this are really all almost similar. Kaya hindi ako masyado na-excite. Kasi tuwing binubuksan ko, oh, parang ganito yung isa. Obviously, it's nude. Ano bang ine-expect ko, diba? So, nude, so dapat talaga tone down lang. Pero siguro, I just really don't feel like it's complimenting on me. So anyway, yun lang guys. I just really want to try it out on camera with you guys and, let you know my thoughts about the new nudes of Sunnies face. So please, kung meron kayo nito, let me know kung ganun din ba yung experience nyo o sa akin lang. Baka itatry ko pa rin naman to in the next, few days kung maalis ako and see if baka iba lang yung feeling ko ngayon or iba lang yung lighting or anything. Pero, yeah, medyo anyway, I guess that's all guys for this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you get updated with the new videos that I upload. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!